Good morning, students. Welcome to the new week. Do you like the warmer weather we're having? Did you know it could get this warm in January? Sometimes it does. We call it a January thaw. Do you know thaw? You know when you have a drink with ice cubes in it? If you finish the drink and leave the ice cubes in the glass, what happens? Melts. You are right, it melts. Thaw is the same thing, melt. So outside, the snow and the ice have melted. It does make it easier to walk around. I agree. We like this. We like this break in January. Well, students, today we're going to start a new lesson, and I want to start by showing you a picture of something I think you will recognize. And of course, I would do this on the overhead. So here is a picture. Can you see? Two people, a ball. What are they doing? They are playing football. So in the United States, we would say soccer, but in most of the world, people say football. So we will say football. What about him? What is he doing? He is trying to score a point or make a goal. So then I would write on the board, he wants to score. His goal is to score. How about this picture? Do you know what this is right here? Cigarette with smoke coming out of it. What is this symbol? Right. So the sign means no smoking. So what is this man doing? Yes, he is throwing cigarettes in the trash. He wants to quit smoking. His goal is to quit smoking. And again, I would write that on the board. He wants to quit smoking. His goal is to quit smoking. Here is another person working on a goal. Do you know what this is? It's called a scale. You stand on it. It tells you about your weight. How much do you weigh? Do you know what these are called? Some people call them barbells. Some people call them weights. What is she doing? She is exercising. Right. She is exercising. Maybe she is at the gym? She is exercising. She wants to be healthy. She is exercising. She wants to be healthy. And again, I would write on the board, she wants to be healthy. Her goal is to be healthy. So we have looked at three people who are working on a goal, but we have not said what a goal is. What do you think a goal is? Let's review our sentences first. Right. He wants to score. His goal is to score. He wants to quit smoking. His goal is to quit smoking. She wants to be healthy. Her goal is to be healthy. So now, what do you think a goal is? Right. It is something you want to do. Here is one last picture. What is he doing? Yes, he is reading a book. What does he want to do? He wants to read in English. So again, I would write, he wants to read a book in English. His goal is to read in English. Do you want to read a book in English? This week, we will be talking about our goals for learning English. We will talk about what you can do when you learn English well. On Friday, you will tell the whole class what goals you have for learning English. Today, we will talk about a woman named Maria and what Maria wants to learn to do in English. But first, talk to your partner. Say one thing you want to do in English. Maybe you want to go to the library and ask for a library card. Maybe you want to go take your car to the mechanic and explain a problem. Talk to your partner. Talk to your partner. What do you want to do in English? Good. Please, tell me some of your ideas. Perna, you want to talk to the cashier at the grocery store. Good. Who else wants to talk to the cashier? Good. You and you. Good. You want to talk to the cashier at the grocery store. Very good. Anglor, what do you want to do in English? You want to read to your children. How many students want to read to the children? All of you. All of you. This is good. This is very good. One more. Kiki, you want to understand your doctor. Good. You want to understand your doctor. How many people want to understand your doctor? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Very good. Knowing what your goals are will help you learn English. But today, let's look at a woman named Maria and see what Maria's goals are. Again, I would overhead this. So here is Maria. Who else is with her? Yes, her sick child. How do you know the child is sick? Right. What is that in his mouth? You are right. If he has a fever, that will tell you the temperature. Do you know the name of that? Thermometer. And then, of course, I would write that on the board. Thermometer. Can we practice? Thermometer. Very good. Very good. So the child has a thermometer. Mom is on the phone. Who do you think she is calling? Maybe the doctor. Maybe the nurse. Maybe the school. Right. So Maria is a parent just like you. Okay? Her child is sick and she needs to call the school. I will read you a story about Maria and I would like you to listen for what Maria wants to be able to do. After I read, we will all read. Then we can talk about what Maria wants to do. So first, listen for what Maria wants to do. And then some time would pass. I'm not going to take up time here. Students, very good job reading. I especially like how you read with enthusiasm. So, let's talk about what Maria wants. You can see around the classroom that there are 4 posters. 1 with each group name on the top. Red, yellow, green, blue. Underneath the name of your group, numbers 1, 2, 3. So join with the others in your group. Go to the right poster. I will come around with a marker. Talk to the people in your group and see if you can name 3 things Maria wants to do. Now in the story there were 4. If you can name 4, that would be excellent. I want you to try for 3. I will come around and talk to everyone. Good luck.